collecting, organizing, and interpreting information in order to make sense of the world around us. So, in your own words, Miss John Nalin Molina, please stand up. In your own words, what is perception?
In my own terms, perception is the awareness of the reality and it is an event that combination of our senses. And we also act in an environment.
Can you please stretch your voice?
Tago.
Repeat.
Perception is variable.
Can you please explain this diagram? What is that in feeling, hearing, seeing, smelling, and tasting?
In this environment,